Hey guys, this is Scott with Sportsland here in Salt Lake City. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new 2022 Zinger 328SB. This is a dual slide bunk house that has a whole separate back bedroom. It's really got a great combination because you can utilize almost like an apartment wise where you've got two different sleeping areas, a common area. We'll take a look at it and kind of go inside and out and see what you think. So right away, you can see you've got a nice huge big awning with LED lights that kind of covers the whole front porch. This is nice because it's kind of where you hang out, you know, when you're not out hiking or doing whatever you're doing. You've got a huge pass-through storage here that goes all the way to the other side. It's got lights throughout of it. You'll also notice you've got power jacks on this. That's going to be standard now with the new Zingers. You've got two 5-gallon propane tanks here. It is pre-wired for solar on the front, as well as has two 190-watt solar panels already on the roof. You got a nice space for your batteries here. Your electric jack has a light on it, so it goes up and down, and you can kind of see where you're hooking up if you're doing it at night. Coming around to this side, this is the other side of your pass-through storage where you can see it's got a really good use of space. You've got drain spouts on the top, so if it does rain, it goes into the gutters and drips it off so that that water doesn't drip down here and get into your storage and cause havoc. This is your first slide here. You can see it's a rack and pinion. The nice thing about a rack and pinion slide system is it really has no room for error. It comes in and out. It's structurally the strongest one that you can get. You can actually stand on top of the slide. It's as structural as the actual bottom of the trailer. I love the fact that it's got a little area in here. I've seen a lot of times where people kind of drape that off. You can kind of have that as, you know, as a private area, but it's really nice to have a little separate area here. Also, while you're camping, that's usually where your big electrical stand is. You can kind of split the difference, put it right in there and pull both your slides out and still get closer. The secondary slide, same situation, but it's in your back bedroom. The cool thing about that is when we go inside, you'll see it gives you enough room to actually have a back bedroom. Instead of just a place where your kids will go to sleep, they can actually go and hang out there. Hot water heater, outside shower. You'll notice that it's prepped for a backup camera, which is really nice. It gives you the ability to see what's behind you. Fully walkable roof on the Zinger. So you've got a ladder that's capable of holding 250 pounds. That'll get you to the roof so you can check on your sills and stuff like that. You've got a real bumper that'll hold a waste tube. It's nice for handy storage. The neat thing about this particular model is there's a lot of models that have an outside kitchen. This has a whole outside kitchen situation to where, you know, you've got a fridge in here, you've got an actual sink that goes into your gray tank, you've got a stove. You could either put a TV here for entertaining, you've got power here and again up to your satellite, or a lot of people like to put shelves. You can kind of make whatever you want out of that. It's a really neat option. This second door in the back, kind of a neat idea. It's kind of weird to open up a door and see a bathroom, but what that does is it makes it so that your kids can just go in, out, or you in, out. So you're not going in the front all the way down the hallway. It really alleviates all that kind of cross traffic and, you know, gets the trailer really dirty when you're kind of using the restroom in and out. Nice solid steps that go all the way down to the ground. Those are just a lot better because as you're standing on those, they're supported by the ground instead of your weight. Nice big handle here to get in. This particular package has the extreme weather package on it. So it's a sealed and enclosed underbelly, and then it's got ducted 3-inch heating going down into that underbelly. That's where all your pipes and tanks are. So while you're out camping, it's going to keep that stuff from freezing. It gives you the ability to camp a lot sooner and a lot later into the season too. Let's take a look inside. So right away you can see it's got a lot of really neat LED light accent pieces. Those are really nice because they give off just enough light where at night you can leave those on if you want to. Your kids can kind of find their way around, but they don't take up enough power to make a difference. So you've got a nice, you know, cool ambient light there. You've got a nice fireplace that's lit up, you know, your stove top under your counter. Just a really good use of space that way. You've got a nice sofa here that drops down, jackknifes into a bed as well. You've got a armrest in the middle. They can come in and out. This is a huge U-shaped dinette. You could easily get 5-6 people around this. It drops down and turns into a really long bed. So if you've got kids that are taller, that's a really good space here too. Storage underneath both of these. done the right way that opens up easy, so you don't have to lift up cushions to get to your storage underneath as well. You'll notice throughout the trailer everywhere, you've got USB charging stations here up by the bedroom and the kids' room. That's just nice because you hate to bring your camera everywhere you go, but now your camera's your phone, but now your phone is also your camera. So it's, it's nice to be able to have that and have the ability to have 12-volt charging off of your batteries. You've got a really good pantry here, all through that. That gives you some really good storage for food. Now this is what I mean by coming into the back bedroom. It's not just a place where the kids can sleep, but if they run into bad weather or something, you've got a sofa here that drops down to a bed. You've got this extra cushion here that comes out to a bed. Another bed up here. This can flip up and get out of the way and lock out of the way if you just kind of want to watch entertainment or stuff like that here, but it gives you some nice options. But having this slide out open gives you this floor space to really do whatever you want with. Second and third bed over here. This is nice. It's got a 300-pound capacity on it. It's an oversized bed. This one's a little bit shorter and it stores a whole bunch of storage kind of for your toys or games or kids' shoes and stuff like that. Nice big windows throughout. LED lights throughout the entire trailer. You've also got ducted air conditioning even in the back bedroom here, so it's the same temperature throughout the entire trailer. Really a great option. And then more storage here for the kids' stuff. You also do have power and access to the antenna here if you want to put an entertainment system in. Okay, let's come and check out that bathroom. So like I said, the neat thing about that is you have a second entrance coming in. So if you're in here, you can just go in easily, but if you're out here, you can go in easily. You've got a porcelain toilet that's beneficial for many reasons, mostly just so you can use actual household cleaning systems. Nice big medicine cabinet here, good sized sink, and a great huge shower. Really good job in the bathroom. Coming into the kitchen, you've got the 8 cubic foot refrigerator. This is nice because it is still a gas or electric refrigerator. A lot of your refrigerators are going to 12 volt or strictly 110. This is just nice because if you do want to go dry camping, you can go off the grid and rely on your propane and not have to worry about power on board. You got a microwave, hood range, 3-burner stovetop. That flips up and doubles as your backsplash. But these lights are really nice. Again, you can leave them on at night, you can turn them off, whatever you want to do. Good countertop space. You've got stainless steel sinks. You've got a high-rise faucet with a pull-down spout. Nice big deep drawers with metal ball bearings, ratings for 50 pounds each. Just a really good job of utilizing all the storage space throughout the trailer. Coming out front, you've got a fireplace here. Not only is it cool for ambiance, but it actually puts out really good form of heat. So if you are hooked up to power, this whole area can maintain, your heating in there. You can opt to also put a TV in here. You can probably fit about a 50-inch TV in there. I think come standard, it might have a 32, but they don't come with anything. You've got a nice sound bar that opens up and kind of gives you music all the way around. Really good storage up here for games. Up front, you've got a walk-around queen-size bed. That's really important to a lot of people that really are looking for a trailer. You want to have the ability to crawl in from either side, not crawl over each other. It's also a lot easier to make. You've got really good wardrobe storage on each side, and then a huge, cabinet above top too. Nice overhead lights here that turn on and off from the bed so you're not walking through in the dark. The other cool thing I like about this bedroom is it actually has hard doors. A lot of times people have curtains and stuff like that, but hard pocket doors are really nice. It kind of gives you a little bit better privacy while you're camping. So that's kind of taking a look at our 2022 Zinger 328. The nice thing about this trailer is, like I say, it's a little bit set up more like an apartment where you've got a kid's room, you've got a main room, you've got a common area. If you're out camping for a long time or just kind of want to have some separate areas, that can be used as storage area if kids or grandkids aren't coming all the time, but really you can use this trailer however you want it. Thanks for taking a look. Again, I'm Scott at Sportsland here in Salt Lake City.
Let Sportsland guide you to the dreams that live inside you.